All right, so as you guys know, Prime Day 2026 is pretty much here, and depending on when you see this video, some of these offers are running even beyond Prime Day. So definitely check out the description. All the product links and discount information will be down there. So let's go ahead and get into it, and we're going to start things off with the iFlyTek AI Note 2. These days, everything's about bigger, brighter, faster displays, but this is an e-ink tablet that blends physical and digital note-taking. For those of you that spend a lot of time in meetings, interviews, classes, or just taking notes throughout the day, this is a really unique device. It comes with a stylus, which gives you that authentic handwriting feel, and if you have terrible handwriting like I do, it can turn your handwritten notes into digital notes. If you like the natural feel of writing things down on paper, this gives you that, but also helps you keep your notes organized in a digital record. That means no more notebooks or sticky notes all over the place. It can also transcribe conversations and meetings in real time with support for 16 different languages. So you can spend less time writing things down and more time listening and contributing to the conversation. When the recordings are finished, it uses ChatGPT 5 to create a structured summary of everything that was discussed, so you don't have to go through and organize anything. It gives you all the key points, the decisions, and action items in a matter of minutes. Other features like the built-in calendar help you stay organized and productive, and there's even a built-in AI assistant ready to help you anytime you need it. As far as writing, erasing, organizing, it's intuitive, it's easy, and the stylus magnetically snaps onto the right side of the tablet for easy storage. And despite having a pretty large 10.65-inch display, this thing is incredibly thin and lightweight, easy to toss in a bag and take with you anywhere. And if you download the AI Note app to your phone, you can access your notes there as well. When so many products are in a rush to be bigger, brighter, faster, it's nice to see options that are simple, a little bit less flashy, but at the same time effective. They're offering 20% off, and with the code on the screen, you can get a free protective case that's normally $59. Now, sticking with the same theme of productivity, we've got the Viaim Rec.AI earbuds. I've covered these on the channel before, and a big theme in tech right now is AI recording and transcription. And these are really unique because the earbuds themselves are able to record phone calls, and then the charging case lets you record in-person conversations. Just like other options, they use AI to generate complete transcripts with support for up to 78 languages. They can identify multiple speakers, which makes reviewing conversations simple and easy to follow. And they generate summaries and to-do lists, which makes it a lot easier for groups and teams to stay on the same page. You can easily share the transcripts or the summaries with anyone that needs it. And you can even go as far as translating conversations into multiple languages. And aside from phone calls and in-person conversations, thanks to Multipoint, you can easily pair these to a laptop or a tablet and get the same functionality with online meeting apps like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. And one thing that really helps these stand out is the fact you get 600 minutes of AI transcriptions per month to start with. If you need more, you can upgrade as needed. But 600 minutes is basically double what most of the competition offers. If you're into project planning or just managing large groups or teams, these are a great way to stay organized and keep everybody on the same page. And of course, if you want to use these to enjoy music here and there, you absolutely can. Viaim is offering up to 30% off, and with this code, you can save an additional 10%. So from there, let's switch gears and look at one of the most impressive headphones I've come across in a long time. These are the One Audio Studio Max 2, and these aren't your average Bluetooth headphones. If you're into DJing, recording, mixing, mastering, engineering, anything along those lines, I can't think of too many options that would be better than these. You get really good Bluetooth performance, which isn't that surprising, but for that extra edge, they come with this M2 2.4 gigahertz wireless transmitter, so you get that pro level sound with zero lag. We're talking latency as low as 9 milliseconds. And with 10 meters of wireless range, no matter the use case and no matter the setup, you don't got to worry about wires getting in the way. Not to mention you get a 3.5 millimeter audio jack and a 1/4 inch jack for a total of 4 connection modes. You can easily switch between your favorite devices, whether it's a laptop, a phone, an audio interface, a guitar, In terms of connection, these are the most versatile headphones I've ever used. They're high-res certified with 45mm drivers. They've got app support, and these have some of the most flexible EQ control I've ever experienced in a set of wireless headphones. If you want bass, if you want detail, you can get it with these headphones. And that's important because depending on the use case, you might be after a different type of sound. You get up to 120 hours of battery life, and when you're not mixing or making music, you could also use these for low latency gaming. Again, easily one of the most impressive headphones I've checked out in a long time. Super versatile, and One Audio is offering 20% off. So the next item is for my iPhone users. When it comes to protecting your phone, there's a million options out there, but sometimes all you want is a simple case that protects your phone, but still lets you appreciate your phone's original design. In this case from Casekoo, it does exactly that. As you can see, it's got that crystal clear, transparent design, so the entire phone is still visible. I love how it looks on my orange iPhone 17 Pro. It's clean, it's minimal, and like I said, you can still appreciate the design of the phone. Now, the issue with a lot of clear cases like this is that over time they start to turn yellow. Casekoo designed this case with German Bayer TPU material and enhanced it with their latest Crisp Gel anti-yellowing technology. Basically a bunch of fancy words to say this case won't turn yellow. As long as you have it, it's going to maintain that clear, transparent look. In the hand, it's easy to hold on to thanks to an anti-slip grip. The buttons feel good, they're easy to press. You've got the cutout for the camera control for anyone that actually uses that. And if you look closely, you'll notice the raised edges around the entire screen. So if you happen to set your phone down screen first, you'll be just fine. On the back, similar setup for the cameras. You've got a raised edge all the way around. And something else I like about this case is how well it resists fingerprints and scratches. And another benefit of the transparent design is you can always customize it. They even include some stickers in the box to get you started. Casekoo has some amazing offers for Prime Day, so definitely check out their links in the description. Next on the list is one of the most versatile, compact on-the-go speakers I've come across, especially for the price. This is the Tribit Stormbox Micro 3. It's super compact, as you can see. You can throw it in or on a backpack. It's got a built-in strap. You can put it on your bike, your scooter, but then it has something I've personally never seen on another speaker, a built-in magnetic mount. So if you're working near your garage or hanging out by your car, or just happen to be around any metal surface, you can stick the speaker to it and have your music right where you want it. Battery life is also solid, up to 24 hours per charge. Obviously, that's going to depend heavily on volume level, but it's built for all-day use. And it can reverse charge other devices like your phone, which I don't think I've seen on another speaker this size. It's got that rugged fabric type material, and it's made to handle the outdoors. It's IP68 dust proof and waterproof, and it's got military grade drop protection. Another thing that's hit or miss on a lot of speakers this size is a built-in microphone. With this, if you get a call while you're listening to music, you can answer it and take the call hands-free directly through the speaker. And then there's the sound. Some compact speakers stand out in terms of volume and clarity. Others have a warmer sound and stand out in terms of bass, but this speaker probably has the most versatile sound for a speaker this size. The 13-watt X-Bass sound is noticeably fuller and punchier than my JBL Clip 5, and the volume and clarity stands out more than my Bose SoundLink Micro 2. Pound for pound, it's probably the best sound quality I've come across. In the app, you've got 6 EQ presets, and if you need that extra reach in terms of volume, the outdoor preset is definitely the one to go with. There's a fully customizable 9-band EQ if you want to tweak things yourself. And for the ultimate setup, you can pair 2 of these together and get stereo sound. And one thing that's easy to overlook when you're shopping for a speaker like this is whether or not it stands up. And this one does. You can set it on a desk or a table, and even when you're playing music, it doesn't fall over. It comes in 3 different colors. You got black, gray, and blue. So you've got some options depending on your style. And Tribit is offering 23% off, and I've got a code that'll save you an additional 10%. Next up is something I've been using for almost a year at this point, and it literally goes with me everywhere. And that's the 70mi T800 dash cam. In 2026, if you own a car, you need a dash cam. This one is a 3-channel setup, so it records what's in front of you, what's behind you, and it captures the interior. The front and the rear cameras give you 4K clarity, powered by 2 Sony sensors, which gives you the level of detail you need. Now, for most drivers, it's not a matter of if you get in an accident, it's a matter of when you get in an accident. Even if you're a good driver, That's not always the case with others. And when something happens, this gives you the footage you need ready to send to your insurance company for a smooth claim process. Dealing with insurance is never fun, especially if it's unclear who caused an accident. The video quality is excellent. It handles different lighting situations really well, including low light and nighttime. And what really sets the T800 apart is how it keeps protecting you even when your car is off. With a SIM card and a data plan, you can monitor your vehicle 24/7 directly through the app. They're offering nearly 30% off, which is an excellent deal. And this is one of those products that pays for itself. So again, the links to everything will be in the description. Definitely check that out. And also let me know what other deals you'll be checking out for Prime Day 2026. That's going to do it for this video. Appreciate you guys for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.